Good morning, students. Today we'll start with our new chapter in English grammar, that is writing messages, and it is chapter number 29 of your English grammar books. Now, beta, we often write messages in order to give certain information very quickly. When we want to give information very quickly to anyone, then in such cases we'll write messages. And remember one thing, such messages are short, and mostly we write down such messages to our friends, parents, family members, and even sometimes we write it down to our neighbors or newspaper boy or milkman, etc. The thing is, that you have to keep in mind is that such messages are short and to the point, means you need not write whole full sentences, and don't start with a put a full sentences, and don't begin such messages with words like dear and ending with yours. You just have to write down your message and to whom you are writing at the top and who is writing at the bottom, and the message should be written in 2 or 3 lines, that's it, and keep it in a box. Clear? Like this way you can write down messages. Take some examples. Like here, the mom is writing a message to her daughter Neelu. Keys at Mishra's means she's going somewhere outside, and she has given the keys to the Mishra's and shall be back by 4. She's informing Neelu that she'll be back by 4. In the same way, another message, this is written by Ira to Deepa. What she is saying to Deepa, that meet me at the bookshop after school. She is saying that after school, meet me at the bookshop. Fine. Now there is another message that Ritu is writing to her mom. What Ritu is saying? Ritu is saying that I am going out with Alka. Means she is going out with her friend Alka and she will be back by 2:30. Means that her mom is not at home and she has left a message for her that she is going with her friend Alka and she will be back by 2:30. Now there is again another message written by John to Akshat. What John is writing to Akshat? That maths test cancelled and have fun. He's saying like this, that our maths scheduled test, that is of maths, is cancelled and you can enjoy. Like this you can write down messages. So see, all these messages are very short and concise. Here just we have written to whom we are writing the message and the one who is writing the message, and in between we are writing our message in just 2 or 3 lines. Fine. Like this you can write down the messages. Now come to the exercise part. Here 3 practice exercises are given to you, and all 3 you have to do in your fair notebook. Fine. Now first one we'll do, send a written message through your friend to your mother that you will be 1 hour late from school. Now read the message very carefully. You have to write down a message for your mom that you will be late from school for 1 hour, and through your friend you are giving this message to your mom. Clear? Now firstly what you have to do is write down this question in your notebook, and then make a small box like this. Here given a small box with pencil. Then firstly you are writing your message to your mom. So write down mom here, and what you are writing? You are writing the reason, that have an extra class due to which you will be 1 hour late. So you are writing have an extra class, full stop, shall be back by 3 o'clock. You are telling the time that by 3 o'clock you will come home. And here you will write down your name. Don't write down my name as Rekha. I have written this message, so I have written my name. You are writing your message to your mom, so you will write down your name. Clear? And then close this box like this. Clear? This is your exercise A. Now come to exercise B. Write a message for a friend telling him or her that you can't attend his birthday party. Means your friend has invited you for a birthday party, but due to some reason you are not able to attend that birthday party. So you are writing a message for your friend. Now here also you will write down the question first in your notebook, and then you will make a box like this, and then you will write down the name of your friend. Suppose my friend's name is Madhu. You will write down your friend's name here. Then you will write down, sorry, can't come to your birthday party, full stop, having high fever. Here you are giving the reason why you are not able to go to her birthday party, having high fever. And then you will write down your name here. Like this, I have written my name, you will write down your name, and then close the box with pencil. Clear? Now come to the exercise C. Exercise C is you came to meet one of your friends at his or her home. Means you have gone to your friend's home in order to meet her, but what you found is you found the door locked. Clear? Then you have to write a message that you left at his or her door. Means when you go when you went to your friend's house, you found the door locked, and then you dropped a message for her at the door. Now here also you will write down the question first in your notebook, and after that you will make a box like this, and you will write down the name of your friend. Suppose my friend's name is Kusum, you will write down your friend's name. Then you will write down came to meet you, means you came to meet her. Then the lock on the door greeted me. You are telling that there was a lock on the door. Then again you will tell shall come some other day, means you will come some other day. Like this you will write down, and again below you will write down your name. I have written my name, you will write down your name, and then you can close the box. Like this way you have to write down all these three messages along with their questions in your fair notebooks, so that you will get a clear understanding of the whole chapter. Writing messages. Clear? I hope this message writing is also clear to you. Thank you so much. Have fun.